Hello, my name is Eva. I am 7. I have a cat, Stitch. I will show 8 life hacks for kids in this video. If clothes got bubble gum, not a problem. Take the eyes and attach it as shown. After that, it easily comes off.
Havana, oh na na. Half of my heart is in Havana, oh na na. He took me back to East Atlanta, na na na.
I'll show you how to remove marks from a marker or pen on doll. It is toothpaste. With it, easy to clean.
Mi música no discrimina a nadie, así que vamos a romper. Toda mi gente se mueve, mira ritmo como los tiene.
Pretty doll. If your elastic hair band stretch out, just fill it with hot water and it becomes as new.
He didn't walk up with a how you doing.
When he came in the
He said there's a lot of girls I can do it.
Sometimes toys sound very loud. It is easy to fix with scotch. Now the toy is not very high volume. Not to spill water from a glass. You can use food rub.
It's like this. She makes a man wanna speak Spanish. Como se llama?
Turn down the glass pot.
Su casa.
Oh baby, when you talk like that, you make a woman go mad. So be wise and keep on reading the signs of my body.
And I'm on tonight, you know my hips don't lie.
Did it happen when drinking straw fall into the bottle?
Si el ritmo te va a mover la cabeza, empezamos como es.
This is easily corrected with an elastic band. Just fixing it on the neck. I like yogurts, but I don't always want to eat everything at once. We take a drinking straw and scissors. Cut the desired length, cut it here and just straight. Video with your friends. Subscribe to my channel.